Hi and welcome everyone. A spot in the sky sent in by someone. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, my dear. Listen, I don't often post sky videos like this. Well, I'm always in the sky, but I mean from other people. And when people do want to send some in, they want to remain anonymous or whatever. It is a pleasure for me. The manipulation that I'm going to do in this photo is I'm going to blur it up. I'm going to get really close to this. Either light or anomaly. Listen, it looks like a triangle, right? Some kind of, it looks like two pieces of wood, two sticks with a flat head there. Look at the top, the front here. I can zoom in on this, no problem. It's not that far out to at least see the plane, even in X-ray. And I guarantee it, there's no plane in this. But the thing about this is, I even told the person, I said, well, is it just not a chemtrail? I'm analyzing it. It's not, and not just is it not a chemtrail and that's confirmed. Why? Because it's stationary. Well, that's it. It's a stationary object or light. It's just this, what was seen was stationary. And the person I know very well that sent it in, and she's not someone who takes pictures of the sky, for nothing, especially. This was with her phone, by the way. Look what it looks like. In the X-ray, you can see that they're very symmetrical, both ends here. And maybe one looks longer, but I tend to think it's the light in it. Because if you look inside the dark spot, they're even. Okay? And this is, there's some curvature, not much. It looks straight, flat-edged, but it's stationary. It's not ever hitting the damn cloud. At the end of the video, I'll show you the 5 or 6 frames that the lady got that sent this in. Now, she got frames this afternoon at 3:15, between 3:15 and 3:30. Okay, this afternoon, PM, at this date, November 20th, 2017. She took 1 or 2 frames while her husband was driving, and then she pulled over. He pulled over, and she took more photos. And after 5, 6 frames, like she told me, she goes, I just drove off and just stared at that object sitting there. It was there, She wasn't in an area where she could really pull over either, but she took the chance to at least get a couple of shots. And this is where it was, to give you an idea at what distance. The sun's right at the bottom there, or the corner of the house there, and straight over top of the sun, about 6 or 7 sun lengths, maybe not, 5 or 6 sun lengths. You could see this beautiful white object. Of course, it's white. If it's a different wavelength, we're not going to see it. I mean, I'm all intrigued about this. I thought it was pretty incredible. Look how white it is as compared to even the light that's underneath. It's the sun's right there. The sun is right on the clouds. And this object is sticking out, guys, like a sore thumb, and you can see it. What the heck is it? So I just wanted to show that to you because I thought it was pretty interesting. And thanks a lot for sending it in. Now take a look at these shots. These are the shots that she sent in, and this is what I showed you out of these shots. Another shot here. You could see like she's driving down the road for a couple of frames, and then she pulled over at one point and just taking shots, taking shots. The sun always, just there, and this happened in the maximum. I mean, listen, I'm not gonna tell you this was in 10 minutes, guys. We're not lying. It only took about a minute and 30 seconds, maybe a minute and 20 seconds. Okay. Uh, let's give her 2 minutes there. It wasn't that long. She stopped, a quick couple of minutes, and but it was stationary. That fascinates me that this object stayed stationary there. I'm gonna have to I wish I had a closer shot of it because it's beautiful, but of course we don't um, prepare for these events, but I just wanted to share that with you all.